Welcome to Dunfermline, the historic heart of Fife, and home to this charming bungalow that's been given a fresh new chapter with the installation of new Lorimer windows. For the homeowners, Mr and Mrs Crossan, this upgrade wasn't just about replacing windows, it was about breathing new life into a much-loved home, making it warmer, brighter and more in tune with their lifestyle.
Yeah, we moved into the house about 26 years ago and it was a new build at that time. About 14 years ago we built a conservatory on the back of the house, and it was C.R. Smith that built the conservatory, so we really wanted our windows to match. We were very, very happy with the work that was done in the conservatory at the back. The guys worked amazingly well. It was really good and we were very pleased with the product. And I think one of the other things that we liked was the fact that C.R. Smith's a Scottish company. I think we were looking in particular for a sort of wider expanse of glass at the front. The windows that we had in before were 3 windows that tilt and turn, and the actual framework was quite chunky and it was also brown because it was wooden. So we liked the idea of having a slightly wider open window, a bigger expanse of glass, a narrower frame. As we get older, the painting of windows and maintaining them was becoming a bit of a chore, so we decided that when we were able, that what we'd like to do is make the house more maintenance free. It's really very easy. They're very good at communicating, they're very good at keeping in contact with you and keeping you up to date with how things are going. They came when they said they were going to come, they did what they were going to do, so we really didn't have any issues at all. I think we were most happy, with the oak frame, the oak sills when they went in. Thought they looked really classy when they were finished, and then when the chap came back later on to varnish them, we did a good job with them as well, and they just kind of came to life once they were varnished.
The rosewood finish is in keeping with the original style, complementing the neighbours' properties and increasing the home's curb appeal. This rich colour brings a timeless look that blends beautifully with its surroundings. Inside, crisp white frames instantly refresh each room, creating bright and inviting spaces throughout the home. In the living room and bedrooms, the upgrade goes a step further. Here the homeowners chose 32mm thick solid oak sills, including elegant sill horns and hand-scribed aprons, details that add a luxurious handcrafted touch. This finish is only possible thanks to the expert craftsmanship of our C.R. Smith joiners, ensuring every sill is seamlessly fitted and beautifully detailed. Elsewhere in the home, practical UPVC trims provide a clean and low-maintenance finish, ideal for rooms with high moisture levels. Across the home, top hinged casements make daily use simple and convenient, while advanced glazing delivers real benefits in energy performance, keeping the home warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and more efficient all year round. The result? A bungalow that doesn't just look the part, it performs for the future. A home that is stylish, energy efficient, and enhanced by the craftsmanship and details that sets Lorimer windows apart.
I would have no problem recommending C.R. Smith to anybody else. I just really feel that they do a good job. We've had 2 products from them so far and they've both been really good. They've worked very efficiently. So yeah, I would recommend C.R. Smith to other people.
If you're looking to upgrade or enhance your home, explore our website or YouTube channel for more inspiration and advice.